because those storms pushing through the Great Lakes today, and earlier we saw them push through Milwaukee. So Fox 6 Milwaukee meteorologist Tom Wachs joins us live right now.
Hey guys, good to be with you. It's been a wild Wednesday here in Wisconsin, that's for sure.
I mean, I was watching them move through Michigan. You know, also the other thing going on across Wisconsin, the poor air quality because of some of the smoke, particulates filtering down, and then also some of the heat. So a lot to break down. But I guess we'll start with the storms since those just moved out, Tom. You know, what sort of things? We saw power outages in Michigan. Were you able to get away without a lot of the damage and outages as well?
So we did have actually quite a bit of damage, Marissa, in parts of the area. We kind of had a 1-2 punch this morning. The first round came through at about 8 o'clock in the morning, and then the second round came through closer to the Illinois border at about midday, around noon. And it was that second batch that came through. We had what was called a rear inflow jet developed. Fancy term for basically meaning that we had a Boeing segment in that thunderstorm, and that caused the winds to surge out of it, and that caused tree damage and thousands of people to be left without power earlier today. So we had those storms come through, really packing a punch.
Tom, I'm loving the outfit today. You know, you loosen up, no tie, unbutton the top, right? And that's probably because of the intense heat, right? What kind of impact did the storms have with the temperatures there?
Well, so wild that you mentioned that, Steve, because we had the clouds and the rain earlier, but of course we've also had a lot of wildfire smoke in our skies. But after this rain came through, we quickly cleared out, and it is warm out here. We're in the mid-80s on our Fox 6 weather deck just north of Milwaukee, and the humidity levels, that dew point is high, approaching the 70-degree mark. So I had to loosen the tie a little bit because, yeah, it's a little humid out here tonight.
Yeah, you get the heat, you get the humidity. It just makes you want to head over to Lake Michigan, but then you got the storms. Let's talk about the air quality. I mentioned that before. How, you know, sometimes we can see these storms come through. We can see some rain kind of filter it out. Did you actually get a little bit of an improvement in maybe some of the clearing of the haze?
Yeah, Marissa, a notable improvement today. In fact, yesterday it was so thick it was really almost hovering a bit more towards the ground in terms of that Canadian wildfire smoke. But after the rain came through this afternoon, the sky is a brilliant blue this evening to the likes we haven't seen here in several days. So it is a noticeable improvement in the smoke department today. And now we've just got the heat to deal with for the next few days.
The silver lining of it all, though, at least the storms gave you the blue sky. That is looking good.
Right?
Fox 6 Milwaukee meteorologist Tom Wachs, thank you for joining us tonight.
Thanks, guys. Great to be with you.
Yeah, stay cool. Say hi to Lake Michigan for me.
Right. Always good to have a Wachs Wednesday. You think if you go to Lake Michigan, he's going to rock the face skinny? You think Tom would do it?
The face skinny.
Yeah.
Sure. No, definitely not.
No, he's too cool for that.
No, I don't think the Midwest is going to jump on board.
Yeah, if you're wondering what we're talking about, by the way, jump over to Fox Weather. It's a new trend that's starting because of the intense heat.